Units that are done here has to be based on proper public participation. That what do people need? Do they need one bedroom? How many people need one bedroom? How many people need two bedroom? What is the percentage of the population here that needs 3 bedroom? So that we don't build 4 bedrooms where nobody or nobody wants to occupy. So this is something that we have to have a very serious conversation on public participation. And therefore, what I can say on the ESP markets, it was not a waste, but most of them, around 20%, were real waste. And like I said yesterday, we cannot say money was stolen. The project stalled because there was no further allocation after that particular allocation. The NHC houses which have been implemented are moving very fast, and as an implementer, I will give it around 80% good work for the progress they have made.
Famo nyumba citwerwo cianjirio June na ikareka June na no tuge ni progressed very well tondu ungiona haria makinyitie na ihinda riu inini national housing ni iraruta wira uria wagireire na nikio gitumi gia gutuma twende guka kuona nyumba icio niguo haria tukuona hena thina tondu turi andu a oversight no tuhote kuthie kwandika report ya improve na kweza kwa advise the president niguo rucio kuria kungi megwaka make na njira iria yagireire njuge wira uria tuona haha ni progressed wega muno na ni ukurika ihinda riria riagireire njukiria andu aria maraka nyumba ici county government to nao ni mahete national housing corporation njega muno ni manyitanire.
By and large, a lot of progress, but also lessons learned. An example, we know that these houses can even be cheaper, and especially NHC as the implementer, if they could move away from borrowing to the market and tap from the housing levy, the housing fund, certainly these houses will be cheaper. So again, as a committee, as we retreat to write our report, those are some of the things we are going to look at.
That to be needed here will be it's our own people who make them, and we are taking them through classes just to make sure that the right standard is achieved, so that the sample given by NHC is what will be brought here. And for that we welcome the committee again. They say they will come again. Kirinyaga one has also taken off. We remember it was commissioned the other day by His Excellency the President.